Hey guys, today we are gonna be drawing a bird. For this thing, you need something to draw with. I've chosen a Sharpie. Basically, first we'll start by drawing the bird's beak. And now, I'll just mark this one over and connect this line to this point as well. Now to draw the eyes. And that's learn can draw the legs like this, and again, first toe, last toe, two toes in between. Now we can trace this off like this. Perfect. Now for the bird's wing. We make 5 of these bump thingies around here, and then we connect them down to here. Done. Oh no, I didn't mean 5, I meant 4. And now this off, and after that we can just shade this in slightly, and slight pattern across here and across here as well, and that's it, we're done. And if you want, you can add some additional color, which I'm technically not doing. So goodbye for now.